Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on Hugging Face this week, published just 2 days ago on May 25th, 2026, tackles a major headache in computer vision, namely, how to make 3D reconstruction work when real-world images are blurry or degraded. The paper is titled, Geometry-Aware Representation Denoising for Robust Multi-View 3D Reconstruction. While feed-forward multi-view 3D reconstruction models have recently achieved impressive spatial consistency under ideal conditions, maintaining robustness against real-world corruptions like camera motion blur remains a critical open challenge. To solve this, the authors introduce a novel framework called GARD, which achieves a massive jump in camera pose estimation accuracy, hitting 87% on a challenging benchmark compared to just 75% for prior multi-view baselines. We will see how this method performs denoising directly inside the model's intermediate feature space, and why this design choice is such a game changer. For those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 illustrates the remarkable capabilities of the geometry-aware representation denoising framework when dealing with highly corrupted multi-view observations. On the left side, we see the degraded input views and their highly inaccurate depth estimates, which are plagued by severe camera motion blur. Consequently, attempting 3D reconstruction directly from these blurry inputs results in the distorted and incomplete degraded 3D point cloud shown at the top center. In contrast, the bottom center displays the restored 3D point cloud produced by this framework, which is dramatically cleaner and more structurally complete. Finally, on the right side, the restored views and depths demonstrate how the model simultaneously recovers sharp, high-fidelity images and precise depth maps. Figure 2 contrasts the traditional pipeline against the proposed geometry-aware representation denoising framework. In this context, a representation space means the high-dimensional domain where an AI model stores complex structural patterns rather than just raw pixel colors. On the left, the standard pixel space method performs denoising before feed-forward reconstruction, which often loses multi-view consistency. On the right, the proposed framework performs denoising directly inside the reconstructor to output restored images and 3D geometry simultaneously. Figure 3 illustrates the framework architecture. On the left, panel A shows the denoiser nested inside the multi-view encoder to refine features before decoding. The top right, panel B, highlights the training phase, which uses an interpolated flow matching loss, which is a technique that smoothly guides noisy representations toward clean targets alongside an attention alignment loss. Finally, panel C shows the decoupled diffusion transformer, which uses alternating attention steps to maintain global consistency across all views. That architectural design translates directly into superior performance on real-world datasets. Table 1 reports quantitative camera pose estimation performance across 5 datasets under severe motion blur. The primary metric is the area under the curve within a 30-degree threshold, which measures how accurately a model predicts camera orientation. Across all 5 datasets, the proposed framework, labeled as GARD, consistently secures the best results by a wide margin. For instance, on the challenging ScanNet++ dataset, GARD achieves an accuracy score of 87%. This is a substantial improvement over the next best multi-view baseline versus AEM versus D, which only reaches 75%. Table 2 details the quantitative 3D reconstruction results across 5 benchmarks. Here, overall distance measures the gap between predicted and true surfaces, while the F-score rates shape completeness. Looking at the bottom section, our framework, labeled GARD, outperforms all competitors. On the DTU dataset, GARD achieves an overall score of 4.8, which is much better than the 7.7 scored by the next best multi-view model. Well, Table 3 evaluates how well these methods reconstruct clean images using 2 primary metrics. These are peak signal-to-noise ratio, which measures pixel-level reconstruction accuracy, and learned perceptual image patch similarity, which assesses human-like visual quality. Across all 5 datasets, our framework, labeled GARD, achieves the best scores. For example, on the high-room dataset, GARD reaches a peak signal-to-noise ratio of 22 decibels and a low perceptual loss of 0.36, easily outperforming the other single-view and multi-view baselines. Ultimately, denoising inside the geometry-aware feature space of a reconstructor bypasses traditional compression bottlenecks to recover both precise scene structures and high-quality images. That wraps up our look at robust 3D reconstruction. I am Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. I will see you in the next one.